I want to put the records very straight because this is a gathering of the largest number of lawyers in the whole of Africa, and we cannot sit down here and make some sweeping statements that are without any proof, without any evidence. And I want to put it on record. I want it to be on record that, please, can I have a silence, please? Okay, I'll go on and say what I have to say. If very dark man will sit here and say that all military are corrupt, it's as good as saying all lawyers are corrupt. Okay, so let that be clear and let it be established that if you say that all military are corrupt, then all lawyers are corrupt. So I also want to put it on record firmly that the only institution in this country that is holding this country, the only institution that is giving us the safety, the sanity we need, in support with other stakeholders, is the military. And I want to put it also on record that military men daily, every day, they are dying to make sure that we have the peace that we are having to even hold this conference.
Thank you.
So please, when we make statements that are not founded without any basis, please let's come out with your evidence, and if you have your proof, you table it before the appropriate authorities for proper investigation.
Thank you, sir.
I'll hand over to my colleague.
Thank you. Your point is taken.
Hello.
Thank you very much.
Hello. Good afternoon. Hello.
I am Colonel.
Hello.
I am Colonel GC Oheri. I would like to observe, first and foremost, that, as she said, this is the largest gathering of lawyers. And we know we are all ministers in the Temple of Justice. We are all ministers in the Temple of Justice. Please, it is unloyally to shout down any lawyer who is making a submission. Please, let us observe decorum. A lot has been said about the military. And we're not saying that we don't have people who do bad things. But at the same time, you cannot paint all with one stroke. Please. You said generals, we have corrupt generals. That is highly untrue. Untrue in the sense that we also have our army, our military is an institution grounded in discipline. And it is for that reason that we have court martials. We have a lot of generals facing court martials right now for one infraction or the other. I'm coming. For one infraction or the other. If truly you have any allegation, the simplest thing to do is approach the military with such allegations. It will be properly investigated. I also want to observe on the, I think, Chief Anthony Okuchukwu. You said in one of your submissions that we have military on the roads and we are not inside the bushes. I don't know where he got that from. I recently deployed a soldier to Sambisa. 2 weeks later, that soldier was injured by improvised explosive device. That soldier was deployed, and that's just one of the very many who I know represent some of your family, villages, and local governments. That's just one. We have generals who have died in the forefront of battle. General Zekushu is one of them. Please, General Uba is one of them. I'm landing. General Zekushu is one of them. General Brima is one of them. General Uba is one of them. These are men who are in the forefront, protecting you and I. It is because of their blood and their sacrifices that we are here today. So I just want context. When you make an allegation, ensure you provide proper context and also know that the military is always available to address any issue of indiscipline or criminality. Thank you very much.
Thank you. I'm so sorry. We are going to be shutting down this session now because we have another. I'm sorry. We've taken two from the military and I think you are represented well. I'm sorry, sir. I'm sorry. I will override you on this, sir. I'm really sorry, sir. I'm sorry. I will override you on this. We'll be taking closing remark from. I'm sorry. And just to put it straight, we appreciate the work the military men are doing. And everybody here, particularly, have appreciated your work. But what we are saying is that there are good cops and there are bad cops. I'm really sorry. I know that we all have questions to ask. But another session is starting right now, and we'll be taking closing remark. We'll be taking the answers, and there will be closing remark 30 seconds. So while you are doing your closing remarks, you will answer your question.